It's been raining the past this first day, but not here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's raining. It's like wet on the balcony and crap, but like, so yeah, I don't know what the plan is, but we're gonna see. We just came from breakfast. I was gonna record it, but it was just like regular breakfast. Like it wasn't nothing special, nothing crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get some other stuff going. I just fixed the room up. We got only one day, bro. Like, I put the bed back up and that. But yep, I'll see you when we change all that. Today is mad gloomy, so hopefully there's not a lot of people outside today. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go to Washington D.C., which is more ideal for a museum. But hopefully these two museums are good. Museums are about natural history and airplanes. Me personally, I don't like museums, but I'll get right into this. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Look at this little crater. Yo, look at the yeah, we went here like 2 years ago. Yo, the White House is right there.
See how different it looks?
Guys, we've been looking for parking for like 20 minutes now.
Feels like more than 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's been mad. Look, we've been circling all through this, reading signs about no parking and crap. Like, guys, I got some chicken. We in the museum right now, so we're gonna be getting some food and crap. But yeah. Alright. We in the car now, guys. I think we're about to head to Texas Corner. But, yeah. So we're about to head to Texas Corner. I think we're in DC right now. So yeah.